It's rainy day schedule. Black Cat, rainy day schedules. Did you get all wet out there? Baby Mountain Lion, did you get all wet? Black Cat, did you get all wet? It's kind of dark out, Mama. Mama, Mama. Oh, she's such a good girl, huh? She's such a good girl. It's still kind of dark, Mama. Let me go let Black Cat out. Mama, let me go let Black Cat out. He's probably at the door. Here, get your treats. Eat your treats, Mama. Because Black Cat's gonna come out here and steal them. Mountain Lion? Are you? What's up, Baby Mountain Lions? Black Cat, Black Cat. What's up, big boy? What's up, Black Cat? Can you give me 5? Black Cat, whack. Give 5. Give 5. Black Cat, whack. Let me check how much food you got. Black Cat. Well, hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. We gotta get Mama some food. Okay, we gotta get Mama some food. Black Cat, we gotta get Mama some food. How much do you got? Oh yeah, we got a refill, huh? Come here, Black Cat. Okay, put a nickel in the machine. Put a nickel. You gotta put a nickel in the thing. There you go. You want more? Are you even trying to get food with the Black Cat whack side? Hold on. No, get out of the well. Get your head out of the well. Okay, which That's all, buddy. That's all for now, okay? Hold on. I know, put the paw down. We'll get you more food. Black Cat? Yeah? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy, Black Cat? Yeah? Rainy day schedule, huh, buddy? How, Black Cat? Rainy day schedule? Ryan, what's up? What's up, buddy? Black Cat, Black Cat. What's up, big boy? Good morning, Black Cat. Good morning, Black Cat. Oh, hi, buddy. Look, you're all nice and shiny. Remember when you were all scraggly and dirty and all messed up when you were a wild kitty? Remember when you were just a wild kitty? You got all dirty and your paint job was all mismatched? Huh. You have brown and black and different colors on you. Now you're a nice looking kitty. Still tough looking, but you're a nice looking kitty now, huh? Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's such a good boy. He's just a big old good boy, huh? Purpurs? Big purpurs? Big old purpurs? Who's a spoiled kitty? Huh, very spoiled kitty, aren't you? But you deserve to be spoiled, huh? Can you give me 5? Pets? Oh, well, you're not supposed to whack me with the 5 hand. That wasn't the whack. That wasn't the Black Cat whack hand. Give me 5. All right, let's get you a treat. Well, no, don't. Keep your head out of the well, buddy. Hold on. Come here, Black Cat. Put a nickel in the machine. There you go. Put a nickel. There you go. Put a nickel in the machine. There you go. It's like, gimme, 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 gimme. One more. There you go, buddy. No, that's it. Sorry, Black Cat. Silly boy. We'll get you more later, okay? We'll get you more later, okay, buddy? No. We'll get you more later, bud. Okay? Where you going, Black Cat? Where you going, buddy? Where you going, in the bushes? Black Cat. Black Cat. Black Cat. Black Cat, Black Cat. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy boy? Oh, headbutt on the camera? Headbutt on the camera, Black Cat? Are you putting headbutts on the camera? Headbutts on the cameras, Black Cat? Black Cat action cam. Black Cat action cam. Black Cat action cam. Black Cat action cam. Oh, you want a piece? Black Cat, Black Cat, Black Cat, Black Cat. What's up? Why are you causing so much trouble this morning? Huh? Why are you causing so much trouble? Why are you chasing Mama around? Black Cat, Black Cat. Why are you being a troublemaker this morning? Huh? Troublemaker? Why are you making so much trouble? Come on, let's go for a cruise. Come on, let's go in the office. Come on, let's go in the office, buddy. Come on, Black Cat. Black Cat, come on. Come on, Black Cat. Somebody left the fan on, huh? Troublemaker, you can look out the window. Come on. Oh, you got blurry. Well, how come you're causing so much trouble? You're making a lot of noise. Did you wink at me, Black Cat? Oh, the crow birdies are going to try and get your water. But you got water in here, huh? Huh, Black Cat? Wow, you shook the building with that roar, buddy. That was a loud roar, shook the building. Good boy. Black Cat. Black Cat. What's up, buddy? Can you do a big old Godzilla roar? No? Baby mountain lion? Oh, you got food, Black Cat, you got food. Do a Godzilla roar, buddy. Give me a Godzilla. Briquette. Does sound like briquette, huh? Like Kingsford charcoal. Can name you briquette. Briquette. Black Cat or briquette or Kingsford. Like a piece of charcoal. Black Cat. Black Cat. Come on, big boy. Should we do Black Cat action cam? Black Cat action cam. Black Cat action cam. Still got that hobble, buddy. Is that that's from an old fight? Or did you get hit by a car or something when you're in the bushes wild? When you were a wild boy? when you were just a wild kitty. Oh, that was like a deadly panther, huh? You had the murder mittens out and a growl at the same time, trying to kill the camera. Is that like the old Mutual of Omaha with the Wild Kingdom? The Black Cat Deadly Killer. Black Cat. Black Cat. Black Cat. Oh, you want more food, huh? You want more food, huh? Black Cat. Hey, hold on, buddy.